Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth. And if you see Bluetooth on other devices, just press this line or click Enter. After that, you need to click Add Device button at the right top, and if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. So click on it, then select Bluetooth. Now we need to turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode, and we have two options how to do this, to enter pairing mode. So if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, all you need to do is just press and hold at the power button to turn on it, and your speaker enters to pairing mode automatically. If you want to enter pairing mode manually, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. So you just press on it, you will hear this prompt, and you enter pairing mode manually. Then we should see it at the device list, and right here we have it. Click at your speaker, and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!